a habit I never had.
My brothers, one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this? Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on those stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Got inside the basement. Said it's 4 a.m. still with wavy tweaking bases. Learn this shit ourselves on my own time. I made shifts. Shooting for the moon, gon' turn this Honda to a spaceship. Shorty won't fuck with me. I just wanna get some rain and sleep. Shit a little free, yeah. Say what I want, then I get what I want. It's too easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G. I gotta double them C's. She wanna put it on me. Used to sit inside my room, living through some interviews. Told my ass up out of school, I knew I had to make some moves. Got that pressure on me, turn anxiety to diamonds. Demons make it hard to close my eyelids. Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this? Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on those stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Fuck that, when I get that paper I'm gon' keep a strap. Fuck you, I can't let nobody go and take my stakes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a productive day in my life vlog type video because I really need to have a productive day because I have so much to do and I really need to get like my life together, so that's why I'm doing this. I mean, I woke up a little bit later than I wanted. I wanted to wake up at like 8:30 and I woke up at 9:30, but we're still gonna make this a productive day, so it doesn't really matter anymore. So I just made some coffee, and actually I don't really like hot coffee, but we didn't have milk right now, so I couldn't make iced coffee. Then I thought, why do I not try hot coffee with vanilla syrup? I don't know if this is gonna be good at all, but I was just really curious, so that's why I made this. And if it's not good, I can still make tea, so I never know how much to add. Ooh. I also might just not like this because I didn't add any milk at all. I could have added coffee milk, but I didn't, so don't really taste the vanilla yet. Ooh, now I do taste some vanilla, which is actually pretty good, but I just don't like the fact that there's no milk in this, but I'm able to drink it, so that's good. So first I need to make a to-do list right now, and I'm gonna do it on my phone because I've been using this app Wunderlist lately, and I have used it in the past, but then I stopped for some reason. I always used the Note app, but since like a couple of days I started using Wunderlist again, and it's pretty nice. I think this is what I have to do, and I don't have to finish all of them today, but I do need to look at everything because a lot of these are like bigger things. And also a lot of these are school related because even though my school switched to online classes, I have so much work to do, which I did not expect, so I'm a little behind now. But I'm basically always behind, so I'm not really surprised. I have 3 things to do for school. One is a project that's due next week. The other one is also a like resit kind of paper that I have to write, which is also due next week. Then I have this other thing. I don't know if it's gonna make any sense. Basically, you have to do like things that help you with like your growth within like your course or like your career path, basically. So I have to do like things related to like audiovisual media and things that I think can help me with growing within that. And you have to get 41 credits, which is 41 hours of work, and I basically have not really started that, so that's gonna be fun. Then I have to edit my weekly vlog, which I think I'm gonna do tonight. Then I have to plan one more video for this week, and I also already want to plan my videos for next week so I can keep uploading so much. And then I have to do something for like freelance work, so oh no. Oh, I really need to clean this. Oh my god. Okay, first I'm gonna close all of these tabs because I feel like they're gonna distract me, so I'm just gonna close everything right now. I'm gonna go do some work now. Not excited. I'm gonna turn on some music actually. Yeah. And then I think I'm gonna play some John Mayer because I played it this morning and it was actually really calming, so Alright, so I've already been working on school for almost 2 hours. I'm not like anywhere near finished with anything, but I have been like working on it. I'm closer to it being finished, but I just don't know how I feel about the whole online classes because I'm honestly most of the time a really unorganized person, and then I just can't get myself to do anything because lately with this whole isolation situation I'm just so like unmotivated to do anything, which is why I've been putting like everything off, and now I have to be productive because I have to finish it on time, but I have just been procrastinating a lot. So I think I'm gonna take a little break and watch some YouTube, and then I'm gonna continue. I need to stop throwing up all these peace signs. Okay, so I don't know if anyone is like interested in this at all. Before that like school project thing, basically, I don't really know how to explain it, but you have to like practice things that you're interested in. So at first I was really like, I don't like this, I don't want to do this, and blah blah blah, but now I actually find some pretty nice things that I can do. So what I'm currently doing, like, I don't know if this is ever gonna make it to YouTube, but basically what I came up with right now is to do like a video that is like only b-roll footage. I'm probably just gonna use like footage that I've been taking like over the years. I think I'm gonna call it collect moments not things, and then basically like the thought behind the video is like appreciate experiences, I guess. I feel like it could turn out to be something really cute. We're just gonna have to see, and if not, it's practice, you know. That's my idea for now. I'm probably gonna come up with some more things. I'm gonna go downstairs now to get something to drink, and then I'm gonna just work on this. I really need to clean my screen. Like, this is not normal. Anyway, I'm just gonna start with that like b-roll video and then see how far I can come. It's 1:50 p.m. right now, and I mean I have the entire day. So also I got a little warm in my teddy sweater, so I changed into this t-shirt. This is from Monkey, and the teddy sweater is from Shein, and my legging is from H&M. So that's that. It's honestly like so weird to try and edit with Premiere Pro right now instead of Final Cut Pro, but also one of the reasons why I want to do this is because a lot of like companies work with Premiere Pro, and I have to do an internship later this year, and if I want to include like video editing, I have to do that with Premiere Pro probably. So that is also a reason why I really want to be able to like edit with it. I'm just gonna try and make this work, you know? I'm honestly so curious on how this is gonna go. My laptop's currently charging, and my laptop doesn't really like it when it's like charging and editing at the same time because it gets really overheat. So I'm just gonna let it charge now and then edit some more. And honestly, so far I'm really happy with how it's turning out already, because I feel like it's honestly gonna be so cute, and I'm already like pretty proud of it, like especially of the fact that it's in Premiere, which I didn't think I could do, but it's very cute. Can you hear that? That's my laptop. So while that's charging, I'm gonna plan the video that I'm gonna upload later this week, and also try and already plan the videos that I'm gonna upload next week, just so that I'm like a little bit ahead, so I have like time. If you have any requests on what you want to see from me, comment down below what videos you want me to make, because I'll probably make them. Hi guys, I haven't really updated you guys much. I feel like it's almost 5:30 and I've been working on that video since 2 p.m. and I'm really tired right now. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go for dinner soon. And actually, I'll try and show you a little part of the video. Okay, wait, I'm gonna turn off the sound because that's really annoying. It's basically like this kind of like cinematic type of video, and then it's like, oh my god, it's so cute. Anyway, and then here it turns into this other like song, and then it's basically like a lot of memories for me, but I made it look like a lot more cinematic than I usually would. And like the beginning part with the voiceover is like done, and then it transitions into this other song, and then here I'm gonna have like all of the clips play really fast, and then here I have like clips normally. But I finished this part now, but I'm probably gonna continue doing that like tomorrow so I can edit my weekly vlog tonight. So far this was really productive, but I've been only working on like one thing, I feel like, so that's kind of annoying. I'm just gonna go for dinner soon and I will update you guys after. Hi everyone. So there was a press conference just now, and we did not go until the lockdown, but they extended everything, like all the cancelled events and everything, until June. So that means, first of all, Harry Styles is cancelled, which makes me really sad, but that's obviously not the most important thing because I will probably not be able to see my granddad until June. I will not be able to see most of my friends until June. I could honestly cry right now. I will probably talk more about this in my next weekly vlog, but I just thought I'd mention it because I'm kind of like in this like sad mood now. Like obviously I did not expect that it would be over in like 2 weeks, like obviously, but I didn't expect it to be like extended until June already. I really don't know how this is gonna go with like school and everything, but I'm honestly kind of scared right now. Like last night I literally cried because I was honestly just kind of like really scared for some reason, but now I'm just gonna edit my weekly vlog and then lay in bed and be sad about it. We're gonna light my candle and edit. I'm actually gonna put this on again because I'm honestly so cold right now. Hi, so the end of the night wasn't as productive anymore because I was in a bit of a weird mood because of the whole almost lockdown situation. So I think it's almost like 10:30, so I'm gonna FaceTime Ailey right now and talk with her for the rest of the night. So this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.